report. Once we will build the reports, we can able to provide some dashboard, right? A Power BI dashboard is a single page interface that uses the most important element of the report to tell some story. We can able to pick the report. I mean, you can, if you develop multiple reports, we can consider all multiple reports into one dashboard. So those are the things we can develop, and we will build it in the data dashboards. And finally, tile. In Power BI, a tile is a single visual. If you can consider, once we will develop one report, if you can consider one visual, that one we can consider as a tile in a report. That one, how we can pin the tile, those things I will show you once we will publish the report. These are all the building blocks in Power BI. Visualization, we can provide some visuals, data set. Once we will pull the data, then only either it is a small information or else a largest. We can call it as a data set. On the top of it, we are going to build the reports in the desktop. And finally, we will prepare some dashboard on it. And each and every visual, I mean, each and every chart, we can pin it. That one we can call it as a tile, single visual. These are the building blocks of the Power BI. And coming to the main concept, Power BI desktop, where we are going to spend most of our time. In Power BI, there are three different views are there. As I shown, this one we can call it as a report view. Once we can pull the data, the icon will be having like these three. These are the report view. This is the data view. Whatever the data set we have pulled, we can able to go here and see the data. This is the data view, and this is a model view. Suppose if you pull the different data sources, we can do the modeling and relationship. We will give some relationships, and all the activities will perform here in this relationship tab. Let's see here. These are the one. Suppose you can consider this one is one of the data set. This is from SAP and this is Salesforce. So we can give some relationship in the model view. These are the three different views in the Power BI desktop. Once we can able to open that Power BI dashboard report. See here, as per the definition, report. In this view, you can create the report and visuals where most of your creation time spent here. As I said, we are going to spend 70 to 80% of time in the dashboard only. We have to build some reports as per the business requirements, and we will give some visuals to the end user. So we have to build the report. So we are going to spend most of our time allocation in the report view only. So similarly, like the data view, in this view, you can see the table kind of information. Whatever the data set we have pulled, that table information we are going to show in the data view. In this view, you can see the tables, measures, and other data used in this data model associated with your reports and transform the data for best use in the report models. So the information of data, tables, measures, all the things are going to available in this data view. And finally, one of the model view. In this view, you can see and manage the relationship among the tables in your data model. As I said, suppose if you are pulling different data sources, we are going to give some relationship to interact each and every data set each other. So this one we can call it as a model view. As I shown in this pictorial representation, this one considered as a one table, this one another table, this is another table, three different tables. We are going to give some relationship to interact with each other. So that one we can call it as a model view. These are the three different views in Power BI: report view, data view, and model view. Report view is used for visual development. Data view is for cross-checking of the data, whether what kind of data it is and whether the data is related with the another data model, or if we want to do some transformations, ETL, and we will do all the things in the data. And if we are pulling multiple data sources, we will do some model here by using model view. These are the three different views in the data desktop, Power BI desktop. And I just want to give an Power BI desktop. There is a 6 main areas. Once we can open that Power BI desktop, that is a free software, we can able to see the canvas and different things, right? So I just want to give you an explanation about each and everything. There are the 6 main areas where we are going to put concentration, and we will pull that. So this complete top, this file, home, and all, this one we can call it as a home ribbon. which will displace the common task associated with the reports and the visuals. We can able to perform